What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So tonight I'm actually gonna go to a test and tune of drag strip. For those of you guys that know, I got a new wheel and tire setup. I got a 17-inch VMS racing wheel and a Mickey Thompson 28 by 11 half 17 ET Street Art bias ply. But let's get on going. No more wasting time. I am running a little late. No more wasting time. I got Vic back there. So let's take off for cover. Let's get her going. All right, let's go. Let's get this cold start. Alright guys, so we made it straight to the track. I didn't vlog the tech wise just because I don't want to weird out the guy. I mean, yeah, so but we did pass tech, which is good. I mean, new car, I wouldn't see why we wouldn't. Now we're just waiting here in line. There's actually quite a bit of people here. Let's see if I turn this camera around. There's actually quite a bit of people here, so but we'll see. We'll get as much runs as we can. I mean, like I said, it's gonna be mainly a practice runs of me trying to launch the car. I'm gonna get, well, Vic's gonna get video of the outside. I forgot some GoPro stuff, but I'll see what I can do to try to put it on the inside. Alright guys, so if you guys can hear me, this is actually my first pass on the tire. I'm a little nervous, never done it, not know what the car is gonna do. So, we'll see. 98 miles an hour. 1276. I figured what I was gonna do. It bogged. I didn't launch it very hard, but now it actually feels pretty good. Hey, it looks like. Thank you. Yeah, 13.0 with a 2.160 foot. I just need to launch it a little harder, and I should be able to get a better time. So. Thank you. 12.8 with a 2086. Damn. 12.8. I'm getting closer. I'm practicing the launch. Alright, so that pass, let me see here. First pass was a 13.0 to 160 foot at 115 miles an hour. Second pass was a 12.8 with the 2.0 60 foot, pretty much 115 miles an hour. An hour is, it's staying the same. Okay, so I just need to learn, I need to slip the clutch. I'm just dumping the clutch. I really need to slip it.
The 12.8, 116.
And I spun on that one. Nice. Alright guys, so I didn't end the video from Friday. I am learning the tire still. I'm learning how to launch. I was learning how to launch the car. I wasn't doing what I normally do. I wasn't like kind of loading the rear end down a little bit and actually taking off. I am on stock suspension. I just installed vertical links, which you will see the video soon. This was after the track. That's when they came in. But all I gotta say is stay tuned. February 15th, this Saturday, I do have a video coming. It's gonna be from Street Car Takeover. I am taking the passenger seat and the rear seat out. Trying to go full effort on the current setup. It's full bolt-on, 2018 ported intake manifold, headers, injectors, you know, the whole E85, the whole thing. Do have some big plans, you know, suspension coming up, more mods, everything. So, all right, guys, please like, subscribe to this video. I have a lot of cool stuff coming for my car, my truck, you know, a lot of cool things. I got a cool project coming up. So, all right, guys, thank you. Later.